In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove formula in Google Sheets and keep values. This is perfect when you're ready to lock in results, share a report, or prevent numbers from changing as your source data updates. By the end, you'll know how to replace formulas with their current results without disturbing the look of your sheet. Start by opening Google Sheets and loading the spreadsheet you're working on. Make sure everything is finished calculating. If your sheet uses functions that update over time, like dynamic imports or timestamps, pause for a moment to confirm the numbers you see are exactly what you want to keep. Next, highlight the cells that contain the results you want to preserve. Many people do this for totals, summaries, or key metrics. You can drag across a range, select entire columns, or hold Shift to select multiple blocks. The important part is that you only select the cells you want to convert from formulas to fixed values. With those cells selected, right-click and choose Copy. You'll see a subtle highlight that confirms the cells are on your clipboard. If you prefer shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. Now, right-click on the same selection again. This time, hover over Paste Special. You'll see several options. Choose Values Only. If you like using shortcuts, that's Ctrl+Shift+V on Windows or Command+Shift+V on a Mac. Instantly, Google Sheets replaces the underlying formulas with the exact numbers you saw before, leaving the formatting in place. Your number formats, colors, borders, and column widths remain as they were. Only the formulas are removed. A quick note on what just happened. By pasting values only, you've turned dynamic cells into static ones. That means they won't change if the inputs change later. This is ideal for finalizing monthly reports or storing a snapshot of results. If you immediately realize you pasted too soon, press Ctrl+Z or Command+Z to undo and bring the formulas back. If you're working in a large model, it can help to do this in small sections, verifying the results as you go. Also, double-check that you've selected only the cells you intend to convert, especially when totals reference other parts of the sheet. That's all there is to it. Open your sheet, select the results you want to keep, copy, and use Paste Special with values only. It's a quick, reliable way to lock in your numbers and prevent accidental changes moving forward.